Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and today we are going to talk about an app which is very helpful for students or any employee doing job which is related to computer, especially computer students or job in IT sector. It is very helpful because it's related to the computer, and if you are working with a computer all day or for a very long time, you will get your eye strain because of the radiation from the screen. So if you use this app, it can reduce your eye strain. So I'll just gonna show it to you. Let's first show it that how to get this app. So I'll gonna paste the link here. It called Flux, and I'll gonna share this link into my description below. So you can just download here. It is free on Windows for personal use. So this is for Windows. It is for free. So I'm already downloaded it as I showed you before. So I'll just gonna open the app. You can install it. It's so easy to install. Follow the simple process. So you can see here reduce eye strain option. So if you just click it, it's gonna reduce the radiation, or you can do it manually. There's lots of option here. Keep painting. You can see the screen temperature is decreasing here, and the screen is turning into some kind of orange. You can also reduce the brightness if you are using it in high brightness, and if you are using this app, so nothing's gonna happen. So you have to reduce the brightness also, maybe a little, and you can use this app so easily, so easy to use. See, it's already decreased here. Working late, classic, flux, reduce eye strain. Also you can do it manually. You can see how much it decreasing. You can see the screen color changing, and there is lots of option here too, like effects and extra color, dark room mode, grayscale. Here if you are watching a movie, it's movie mode here. So you can do so many things here, and it can reduce your eye strain. It's so very helpful. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, follow my channel, subscribe. Bye bye.